So once a patient is diagnosed with lupus, what should be their expectations regarding treatment, or is there a cure, or can they expect the pain to go down, or the symptoms to go down in a few months, a year? Is there a time frame to it?
I think the human tendency after getting diagnosed is to feel absolutely beaten up and devastated. I think the tendency at that point, you often feel like you have no control over your life, which is why you try to often get a prognosis. You're like, what is it going to be like? Doctor, will the pain reduce? Will I hit remission? Will there be a cure? Should I go abroad and get a new treatment, get that rare drug from the Himalayas and see if it works for me? The urge is heavy. You want to know, okay, what's the tendency of my illness? What is it going to be like? Which organ's going to get affected? Will I have organ failure? Will I need dialysis? Will I die? Will I be able to have kids? You're probably like drowning with so many questions at that point, right? So usually your doctor will be able to give you a fair idea that, guess what, you right now are just in the very, very mild sort of lupus that you have. It's only arthritis, for which we are giving you steroids and these set of immunosuppressants, and typically steroids we hope we can taper it in 6 to 12 months, etc., etc. Your doctor will give you a rough idea based on your situation. Having said that, things can go absolutely the opposite direction too, and that's just the nature of lupus. And you can't be upset with your doctor, you can't hate them, but you're allowed to grieve it out, you're allowed to feel frustrated, but you can't take it out on, it's just a very unfortunate fact of life. That's where we are right now in 2025. You never know, a couple of years from now all that could change, and I think it's gonna change too. There's also something called neuropsychiatric lupus, which starts to just manifest in terms of psychiatric manifestations, because the mind is a part of the brain, and if lupus can affect the brain, it can do that too. 10 years from now, since I was diagnosed, which is today, I'm on immunoglobulin therapy, 40 grams every month. Never in the wildest of my dreams, even my own rheumatologist would have expected this, which is where I think one ends up having to look a little more beyond that and existentially look at things and figure it out and get guidance and introspect, sit with it, grieve it out, keep mid-course correcting, and then that's how you live.